CENTER-310 temperature and humidity meter by CENTER is designed to measure temperature and humidity of the air. Temperature and humidity in the room are most important parameters determining the state of comfort indoors. The human body releases heat depending on physical activity. A quietly sleeping adult releases an average of about 80 watts. Our value for physical activity rises up to 300 watts. This heat should be discharged in order to prevent overheating. It is mainly done by heat exchange with the ambient air. Therefore, apart from clothes, an important indicator of thermal comfort for man is the ambient temperature. According to the different standards, the recommended values of air temperature in the room are in the ranges of 20–22 degrees centigrade and 20–26 degrees centigrade. Another physical characteristic of the indoor atmosphere that influences directly the heat exchange of the human body is air humidity, which characterizes its saturation with water vapor. Lack of humidity, relative humidity less than 20%, leads to drying of mucous membranes and causes cough. Excessive moisture, over 65%, leads to deterioration of heat exchange by evaporation of sweat and causes a feeling of suffocation. Therefore, temperature should correlate to the humidity level. We also know that the ambient temperature and humidity are important for houseplants. Heat is critical for indoor plants. For most of them, this value is 15–25 degrees Celsius. All major life processes of plants relate to heat. First of all, assimilation, adaptive change in leaves and respiration. Chemical reactions and transport of substances within plants depend on temperature. Relative humidity is no less important for indoor plants. The optimal value is within 60–70%. Lack of humidity leads to inhibition of plants, fall of buds and flower and ovary drop. A really big problem with humidity happens in winter in heated rooms, especially near windows, radiators, underneath. For example, let's measure the temperature and humidity in our room. We turn on the device. At the top of the display, we can see the value of humidity, and at the bottom, the value of the temperature. The delivery set includes the CENTER-310 device, a 9-volt battery, and a transport case. The device can be used for measuring temperature and humidity in working and living quarters and greenhouses.